Hey guys, this is Caleb with Northwest Roof Maintenance, and today we are in Portland, Oregon, just north of downtown. I'm here with my buddies Isaac and Alex over there. Now, we're working on a trough repair, and if you don't know what a trough is, it's where two sides of the roof meet together into a middle section of the roof, and this middle section is what we call the trough. Now, troughs are incredibly susceptible to leaks, and two things that you want to make sure of most indefinitely is that, first of all, you have the right materials, and second of all, those materials are installed correctly, which is one of the reasons we're working on this guy today. Did not have the correct material, and installation was a little bit funky on this. So if you guys think that you might have a trough on your roof, better play it safe than sorry and get it checked out. Or if you're just curious about the condition of your roof, go ahead and give us a call at 360-910-8938, and we'll see you soon.